Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I am on a quest to invest. Today's video is all about everybody's favorite stock, Clove. Well, I guess it's not the short's favorite stock now, is it? So yeah, I'm going to be talking about Clove, and also at the end, I just want to kind of go over some other stocks that I have my eye on right now. First of all, gotta tell you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. So, shall we talk about how the stock loan fee for Clove has done a 4x in 2 days? At this rate, by next week, it'll be 100% to short Clove. It is perhaps the hottest stock over on Wall Street Bets. Crazy short interest, and it is a good company. It's got the fundamentals to back it up. I know I get some comments saying, I don't care about fundamentals, I just care about short squeeze. That's okay, but I kind of do care about fundamentals. So that's why I mentioned them. That kind of sounded passive aggressive. I didn't mean it like that. So the company's shares have returned more than 76% to investors in the past 3 months. That's pretty good. Definitely not to be scoffed at. The share of the firm, which is backed by prominent venture capitalist Kamath Palihapitiya, I'm sorry, that was terrible pronunciation, has jumped in recent weeks, and SEC filings revealed that the company is presently in a short squeeze. It certainly is in a epic short squeeze right now, and it's just heating up. Kramer gave the go-ahead on Clove on CNBC, and he said it would be ill-advised to short on Clove for the next couple of days. The volume so far shows everybody has joined the Rocketeers. They're all on board the rocket, and they are headed to, I suppose, the moon. Where else would you want to go on a rocket? And then we've got the index rebalancing day today. Clove gets added to the Russell 2000. And institutional buyers will be purchasing Clove like nobody's business to add to their index funds. And suddenly there will be an increase in demand for shares. You better believe it. And yeah, it definitely should be a fun ride up on the charts today. You know, it's just like a pressure cooker. Everything just keeps building up pressure. Eventually, when the big guns, the big hot shots, the big schmucks, no, I think schmuck is a bad thing. And when all the big companies are done accumulating, they will take the lid off this pressure cooker and it will explode. The first gap will be straight to over $28, I think. But if it follows the similar pattern as AMC or GME, it would then be followed by a squeeze up to around $60 the following day. Something else to talk about real quick is it's being advised to call up your broker if you have one. A sell limit does not prevent your shares from being lent out. If you utilize margin, you have to tell your broker not to lend your shares. So yeah, you actually have to actively make this request. If you bought with cash, you have nothing to worry about. Clove today disclosed that it is planning expansion in 101 additional counties. Currently, it is operating in 108 counties. So this will double the footprint if approved by CMS. New enrollees will begin coverage on the 1st of the 1st, 2022. And then they've got that collaboration with Walmart. Clove announced that they will be committed to improving health equity for America's underserved seniors. They announced plans to nearly double their geographic footprint. The expansion, which is subject to CMS approval, will make Clover's Medicare Advantage plans available to eligible individuals in a total of 209 counties across 9 states. People eligible for Medicare in these new counties can sign up for Clover's plans during the annual election period, which runs from October 15th to December 7th, with coverage starting on January 1st. Clover currently offers its Medicare Advantage plans to 108 counties, where it cares for approximately 66,300 members. This expansion would allow more seniors, many of whom live in rural areas and are more likely to face health disparities than those in more urban areas. It's true. I feel like if I was an elderly person living in the countryside, I would be very afraid. And, I definitely wouldn't want to be forgotten about. So I think it's great that they are making them a priority. Not only is Clover Health a great company with strong fundamentals and the top short squeeze candidate, they also help people live longer on a health basis. So I say, forget all this meme stock stuff. I think just buy and hold and be long on Clove because they're joining the Russell Index effective Monday, which will force fund managers to buy it. They're doubling their addressable market by the fall, which still only represents 5% of the total market. And the number of people that become eligible to apply for Medicare Advantage, where they mostly serve, is growing by 10,000 people per day. So imagine, I know a lot of people just want to get in and out and ride this short squeeze, and that's all good. But just imagine where this company could be at in 10 years. So guys, there's not much else to say about Clover, to be honest. I've already made 2 other videos about Clover, which you should check out, which I go more in depth into the company and due diligence, fundamentals, a little bit of technical analysis, etc., etc. So check those videos out. I will leave links to them in the description below. Right now, I just want to talk about 2 other stocks, which is something I want to start doing from now on, talk about the main stock and then just chat about some other stocks at the end, just giving you guys a real bang for your buck, as they say. So this might surprise people, but it's more of a traditional stock, I suppose, in that it probably doesn't appear anywhere on Wall Street Bets, but Snapchat, social media giant Snap, they were in a bit of a tough spot a couple of years ago, I'm not going to lie. They were going through this kind of stagnation period. They weren't really making a lot of changes and, they were just at a standstill. However, it is now back in the game with huge improvements in monetization, augmented reality, and unique content. Just yesterday, actually, I was on Snap and I saw that they have a TikTok sort of function, this new button. I was like, oh, what does this do? And I clicked on it and do you say click a button if it's touchscreen? I don't think so. I tapped on it. Yeah, I tapped on it and yeah, it just looked like I was in the TikTok app, but it's Snapchat. So I guess they have their own short form video content in the same kind of format. You just swipe up and just watch endless amounts of content until your whole day is just sucked away. It's great. Analysts point towards multiple years of double-digit revenue growth ahead, and its high long-term margin structure makes Snap stock a highly attractive investment. Daily active users for the company increased on a year-over-year basis in each of the 4 quarters last year. The trend continued in the first quarter, where its DAUs grew by a healthy 22%, which is actually pretty impressive its competition is huge. Instagram, TikTok has been I feel like every app is just very, very afraid of TikTok right now. That's why YouTube introduced their shorts, Instagram Reels, and now Snapchat. Revenues in the quarter were up 66% year over year to 170 million. It has multiple monetization avenues left to explore, including Maps, Spotlight, Stories, and others. So with forward revenue estimates of roughly 50%, the company is in a great position to deliver strong returns for the foreseeable future. Many people are calling this Facebook 2.0. Who's to say? It could make you a millionaire, depending how much you invest, obviously. Snapchat completely dominates people aged 13 all the way up to their late 20s, even 30s. I am a millennial and I use it. I just have some younger friends who the only way to contact them is on Snapchat. It is all they use. And they kind of look at me like I'm a boomer when I want to talk on WhatsApp. And they have plenty of room to grow. And they'll probably move more into e-commerce soon. I think that's probably where they're going to head. Okay, next, I want to talk about Corsair Gaming. The ticker is CRSR. This is more of a Wall Street Bets stock because it has a lot of short squeeze interest. But yeah, so they are a computer hardware company based in California. They primarily make and sell gaming and streaming products in North America, South America, Asia, Europe, and Australia. That's a good portion of the world. I know my geography. Some of the products sold by them include keyboards, mice, headsets, and gaming controllers, among others. The share price of the firm has registered double-digit growth in the past few weeks, as the stock gains more and more traction on Reddit. On May 4th, CRSR posted earnings results for the first quarter of 2021, reporting earnings per share of 58 cents, beating market predictions by 25 cents, which is pretty good. The revenue over the period was close to $530 million, up 71% year on year. Out of the hedge funds being tracked by Insider Monkey, Chicago-based investment firm Citadel Investment Group is a leading shareholder. In total, there's 9 hedge fund holders. So yeah, Citadel have 414,300 shares worth more than 13.7 million. I think this is not a typical meme stock. I think it's a very undervalued stock right now. My price prediction is probably around $40, and that's pretty conservative. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry if you didn't, but it was free. I'm so passive aggressive today. I'm so sorry. For real, thank you so much for listening, guys, and have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.